TG3 Electronics started in a basement 35 years ago. Today, we have a 45,000 square foot facility with world-class domestic manufacturing capabilities for input devices. Join us as we take a closer look at our order fulfillment process with a walkthrough of our factory. When parts arrive, they're inspected, barcoded, and kitted for manufacturing. With a lead time of up to 4 weeks, kits move to the world-class manufacturing site, which is ESD safe and strictly monitored for temperature and humidity. Our surface mount assembly lines are completely automated. All parts go through automated optical inspection for quality control. For flexible manufacturing, we have 7 ESD safe assembly lines. In addition, we have several sub-assembly processes to combine components. Some have clean room requirements such as optical bonding, which we also have on site. With the build complete, products go through final testing and inspection. Lastly, orders are carefully packaged for shipping so it arrives exactly as it leaves our factory. From start to finish, TG3 cares for your products. Request a demo so you can see what we can do for your business.